The reasons for the fall of Rome. Reason number 3, invasions. As the Roman Empire was struggling politically and economically, it became invaded in both parts. The Persian armies invaded the Eastern Roman Empire. The Germanic tribes invaded the Western Roman Empire. In the late AD 300s and 400s, Germanic tribes migrated to expand their territories into Rome. At the same time, the Huns, a fierce group of warriors from Mongolia and Asia, entered Eastern Europe. As a result of the Huns moving into Eastern Europe, the Visigoths, a Germanic tribe, asked the Roman government for protection. The Romans let the Visigoths settle just inside the Roman Empire's borders. The Visigoths were loyal. Rome, however, treated the Visigoths badly. They charged them high prices for food. Rome even enslaved some of the Visigoths. The Visigoths rebelled. They defeated the Roman legions at Adrianople. There were more attacks by Germanic tribes in Gaul. In AD 410, Alaric, the leader of the Visigoths, captured Rome. The Visigoths looted the city's government buildings and homes. The Vandals, another Germanic group, attacked Roman land in Spain and northern Africa. The word vandalism comes from the actions of the Vandals. The Vandals invaded Rome, seized valuables, and burned buildings. By the mid-400s, Germanic leaders held high posts in Rome's government and army. The Roman Empire continued to fall. Germanic general Odoacer took control. He overthrew the 14-year-old Western Roman Emperor Romulus Augustulus. Once Odoacer gained control, no Roman emperor ever ruled again from Rome. This marked the end of the Western Roman Empire. General Odoacer ruled for about 15 years, but the Germanic tribes fought among themselves. They killed Odoacer. The Visigoths set up their kingdom in Italy. Theodoric became their new leader following Odoacer's death. The Western Roman Empire had ceased to exist. The Germanic territories replaced the Western Roman Empire. The legacy of the Roman Empire, however, lived on. The Germanic territories all adopted the following from the Western Roman Empire: Latin languages, Roman laws, Christianity. The Eastern Roman Empire thrived in the eastern part of the Mediterranean. It became known as the Byzantine Empire. It lasted for 1,000 more years.